Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Lunkers with Landon. Today we're back at this pond that we were at last week, where Parker, who I have right here, stuck a giant fish. Actually, oh no, it was a little farther down that way, off of a white Cinco, and you know that let us know that there were some pretty big fish in here. So we're back and we're seeing if we can stick another giant. Really? Nice. Oh, that's really small.
Good job.
All right.
Nice job, buddy.
Good job, buddy.
It's not scary, buddy.
Bye-bye, fishy.
Bye-bye, fishy. He's like, yeah, I'm going to rifle, man.
Cool.
Good job, buddy.
Probably the biggest fish Hudson's ever caught. Guys,
No way.
big.
Nice.
He's feeling out Jag Parker. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Don't get off.
he was right there.
Oh,
No way.
oh my god. Oh my god. That is my PB.
Nice. That's crazy.
Parker's up there stuck in a tree.
No way.
Oh
That
my
thing
gosh.
is massive.
Weightless white bandito bug. There's no way that just happened. Oh my god. I might need to two-hand this one. Oh my god. Don't. I'm having trouble lifting that one with one hand. Oh, he smokes, guys. Parker, can you? Oh my gosh, I'm having trouble lifting this one up, guys.
Here, I'll keep it.
Holy smokes, that's my PB. Weightless white bandito bug. Flipping up in the trees. Oh my
Show me the belly.
god. Look at that thing. I can't one-hand this, bro. Oh my gosh. It's already cut up my hand. Oh my gosh, guys, let's move. Bro, that thing is hurting my hand so bad. No, flip back. I'm gonna pick her up. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I went to twitch it, and it was nothing but weight. I sat, and then my line started jumping. I can't pick her up really with one hand. Oh my gosh, guys. White bandito bug hanging off the side of her. I wish we had a scale with us, bro.
Oh my gosh.
That's my biggest fish ever, guys. That is my PB. PB bass. That's at least a 6.
I'd say at least a 6. Biggest fish in the lake for sure.
Guys, my hand is getting sore holding her. Let's get her unhooked. That's ridiculous. She's been out of the water for a little long. Barely hooked. Her hook just popped out. Look at that beauty. Let's get her released. Parker, come down like really close. Point it down, point it down. There you go. Bye, girl. Thank you.
Boom.
Wow. There she swims off right to the
6-pounder. Off bandito bug.
I wish we had a scale, guys. I don't know how big that was. That was legit.
That was a crazy hook.
Third or
shot,
fourth
too.
flip.
It was out of nowhere.
Right up there. Picked up the bandito bug and nothing but just weight. Comment down below, guys, what you think that fish weighed. My guess is about 6.5. My PB is about 5.5. So let me show you guys how I was fishing this. So I'm just taking this, doing a cast out to wherever, and I'm letting it sink to the bottom. Fishing it like you fish a weightless Senko. Dude, I'm glad I switched to the bandito bug.
The band.
Yeah. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. Just twitching it along, and I picked it up to twitch it, and it was just weight there. Wow, I don't know. Dude,
I don't know how we
that
didn't split
that
that.
happened so fast. That was ridiculous. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure enjoyed catching that fish. What we think is around a 6.5 pounder, which is definitely my new PB. Flipping right up in here with a weightless white bandito bug on a Texas rig. If you guys did enjoy, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Comment down below, guys, how many pounds you think that fish was. We're thinking 6.5 pounds, which is my new PB. My old PB is 5.5, so that fish was definitely my new PB. I wish we had a scale with us, but we looked back in the video and compared it to my rod and kind of measured things out, and we think it's around, I think it was 22 inches, which is around a 6.5 pounder. I will see you guys in the next one.